Rajya Sabha has adopted the statutory resolution extending President's rule in Manipur for 6 more months. Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai introduced a resolution in the Rajya Sabha today amid the chaotic protests from opposition parties. Lok Sabha has earlier given its approval for extension of President's rule in Manipur for another 6 months. Amid the ruckus in Rajya Sabha, which erupted the moment as soon as a statutory resolution was introduced by Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai, Speaker, Deputy Chairman Harivansh put the resolution for voting and the members of the upper house gave the approval for extension of President's rule in Manipur for another 6 months. On the other hand, both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned for the day after opposition protests rocked both houses. In the Lok Sabha, opposition continued to protest, demanding a discussion on the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar ahead of the assembly polls there. The lower house took a few queries during the question hour, but Speaker Om Birla soon adjourned the house to reconvene at 2 p.m. as the opposition continued to protest.
महोदय, मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कि मणिपुर राज्य के संबंध में संविधान के अनुच्छेद 356 के तहत राष्ट्रपति द्वारा दिनांक 13 फरवरी 2025 को जारी की गई घोषणा को इस सदन द्वारा अनुमोदित करने की कृपा करें। मैं अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, संविधान के तहत निर्धारित घोषणा के परिणामी आदेश के साथ सदन के पटल पर रख दी गई है।
The question is put. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. You have to go back to your seats. Then you can say only no. मैं आपको पूरा मौका देता हूं कि आप अपनी सीट पर जाइए। नो कहने का आपको अधिकार है, डिस्पोज करने का अधिकार है, वेल से नहीं है। Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The statutory resolution is adopted.